Before we dive in, check out our exclusive ebooks. Crafted to help you go deeper into today's topic. Download your copy now. Link below. Manifesting your dream life in just 30 days might sound like a fantasy, but when you understand how energy, focus, and intention align with the universal laws of creation, you realize that transformation can happen far faster than you've ever imagined, because the universe doesn't measure time. It measures vibration, and when you elevate your vibration consistently for a month, your external reality begins to shift in ways that reflect your inner frequency. So the process begins with total clarity. Know exactly what you want to manifest in these 30 days, whether it's a new job, improved health, stronger relationships, or a sense of inner peace. And write these desires in detail as if they've already manifested, describing how you feel, what your day looks like, and what has changed in your life. Because clarity is the foundation of manifestation, and vague goals produce vague results, while clear intentions create magnetic energy that the universe responds to with precision. And once your goal is set, dedicate the first week to mental alignment by creating a morning routine that primes your mind for success. Start each day with gratitude for at least 5 things you already have. Meditate for 10 minutes to quiet resistance, and visualize your dream life as if it already exists, feeling every emotion of joy, freedom, and accomplishment, because emotion is the true driver of manifestation. Your feelings are signals that broadcast your vibration to the universe, and feeling good consistently tells the universe you are ready to receive more things that match that frequency. So, throughout the second week, focus on affirmations and belief reprogramming by identifying and releasing limiting thoughts that whisper, "I can't," or "it's too hard," and replace them with empowering affirmations such as, "Everything I desire flows to me easily," "I am worthy of success," and "My reality is transforming now," and repeat them with conviction every morning and night, because repetition rewires the subconscious mind, and once your subconscious believes, manifestation becomes effortless. While in week 3, it's time for inspired action. This doesn't mean forcing things or overworking, but rather listening to intuitive nudges, opportunities, and ideas that come your way, acting on them with enthusiasm and trust, because manifestation is a co-creation between your intention and the universe's guidance. And when you take inspired steps toward your dreams, the universe meets you halfway, aligning circumstances and coincidences in your favor. And this is also the time to strengthen your emotional resilience. For every doubt, delay, or obstacle that arises, choose faith over fear, gratitude over frustration, and patience over panic. Knowing that these moments are tests of your alignment, and by maintaining calm confidence, you keep your vibration high, ensuring the flow remains unblocked. As you move into the 4th and final week, focus on detachment and gratitude. Let go of obsessing over results and trust that your desires are already manifesting behind the scenes, because holding on too tightly creates resistance, while surrender and faith open the door for miracles. And spend this week celebrating your progress, however small, because appreciation amplifies manifestation energy. And you'll likely start noticing synchronicities, seeing repeated numbers, unexpected messages, or opportunities that perfectly align with your intentions. All signs that your vibration has shifted, and by the end of 30 days, whether your full manifestation has appeared or the path has clearly begun, you will have elevated your mindset, reprogrammed your subconscious, and created the energetic foundation for continued abundance, proving that the universe responds to clarity, consistency, and belief, not time. And this 30-day challenge is not about forcing miracles, but aligning with them by becoming the version of yourself who naturally attracts what they desire. Because when you think, feel, and act from the frequency of your dream life every single day, you collapse the distance between thought and reality, making your dream life not just a vision, but your new normal. And as you complete the 30 days, carry this energy forward. Continue daily gratitude, affirmations, and inspired action, because manifestation is not a one-time event, but a lifestyle of conscious creation. And the more you live in alignment with joy, abundance, and self-belief, the more the universe mirrors that energy back to you, unfolding blessings in every area of your life. proving that the power to manifest your dream life has always been within you, waiting for you to activate it through intention, emotion, and unwavering belief.